Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Semrush and launching Keyword Magic tool, then paste 1 3-seed keywords to begin. Choose the target country and language because location affects volume and intent. Once done, hit search and immediately set useful filters. Volume above 100 to focus on meaningful traffic and a keyword difficulty cap to match your skill. Make sure to select match types, broad, phrase, exact, so you control scope. This first setup gets you relevant data fast and prevents wasted lists. Now you refine results. Apply combined filters for CPC, volume, and SERP features to isolate opportunity. You'll want to sort by volume or by keyword difficulty, depending on whether you prioritize traffic or feasibility. Once you have a narrower set, use the keyword grouping feature to cluster by semantic intent. This helps map keywords to pages. Save promising clusters to a new list inside Keyword Manager. Then export the shortlist as CSV or keep it in Tool for future audits and content planning. Finish by prioritizing keywords using a simple scoring: intent, volume, and keyword difficulty. You'll assign top priorities for content pages and separate lists for PPC targets. Make sure to run SERP analysis in the tool to inspect top-ranking pages and featured snippets. This shows what content to create or improve. If you hit a dead end, troubleshoot by broadening seed terms, expanding country scope, or resetting filters. That quickly resolves sparse results and gets you back to building a targeted keyword plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.